Hello, welcome back to my channel, Snips by Kelly. I'm Kelly, and today I'm sharing a workshop for my simple scrappers. Those scrappers that really love simple, pattern-oriented, clean workshops and pages, but functional photo opportunities with a little bit of an added decorative element. So my Simply Scrappin' promise is that I use a simple supply list without any added equipment, Cricut cuts, thin cuts, or stamping needed. So this workshop creates a full 10 pages and it has a very simple supply list. It's using the starter kit number 1, which is this cut above layout kit. By itself, it's a complete layout kit that has all of the pre-planned and prepped pieces, including the base pages, some photo mats, some die cuts, stickers from the sticker sheet, as well as photo place card holders. So it would be great on its own to be able to pull out of the package and simply put it together in a snap and create a really beautiful single layout. But I decided to incorporate it into our Cozy Up pattern paper and sticker sheet. So Cozy Up has this really fall vibe, but it could also be reversible or a combination of things that have to do with books and reading, maybe snuggling up. So it has some of those traditional fall icons as well as library books or regular books. And so you could go just about either direction or both directions with that. I've also added the Cozy Up dots. So I used that starter kit in a non-traditional way and actually cut bits and pieces of it apart. So such as this background, melon background, I cut away from the wood grain interior of the starter background pages so that I could be able to use parts of it on one layout and parts of it on another and bring both of those together to combine them to stretch into a 10-page workshop. So for example, the background page in the doily, the flower bits and some of the leaf bits, and the flower bits over on the right are from the starter kit, and then the rest is from the Cozy Up collection. I did add a couple 4x4 flip-flaps to be able to stretch the photo opportunities. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 photo opportunities on this one layout. Did a little bit of decorating with some tearing of some strips, added the books and the little spectacles, and made it into a bit of a reading theme with the book sticker. And I did do a full process video that's up in the upper right. The link is up there on how I created that layout from start to finish by gutting out the starter kit. Now you can see on the second layout, I've actually taken those pieces from the center of the first background. You can see that it is a pre-printed background that makes it look like it has layers on it. So I've used that on the inside of some pine cardstock. And then the sage photo mats were part of the original starter kit, as were the shortbread pieces off to the right and the melon scalloped pieces here. I just dovetailed those shortbread pieces, added some leaf pieces and some paprika pieces, and dovetailed all of that. Added a few little extra paper strips, added those die cut leaves that came from the sticker sheet, and then the best friend sticker is actually trimmed out of a sticker from the Cozy Up stickers on the sticker sheet. And as you can see, I used every single sticker on the 12x12 sticker sheet except the other half of this sticker, and then the sticker that said drink tea. Now, because of the little teapot and the cute little teacups over on the right, you could totally use the drink tea sticker, but I don't drink tea. So I just left it off of mine. But if you love to have a cup of tea with your besties, you use that sticker. I thought that turned out so pretty and was just the right combination of Cozy Up and the the starter kit. So the next layout here, we had the cornucopia sticker and the pumpkin sticker, but I really didn't have much else besides the title sticker to use on this page because I actually created it when I was getting toward the end. So I fussy cut some of those pumpkins out of the pattern paper, but I didn't have very much pattern paper left over. So the pumpkins are not even full pumpkins. And what I love about it is you can take just a little chunk off of the side of the pattern paper, toggle those so that it looks like a full cluster of pumpkins. I did a little tearing of some of the pattern paper to sort of create some layers that I could tuck some of those little pumpkin pieces in. Talk about making every little piece work. I actually also did some tearing on the pocket of the other one as well. Added a few of the little leaf stickers, added some banners over there on the bottom right with some pattern papers. And then I did pull in some desert rose in that one banner on the bottom, the cardstock banner. The reason is we had some desert rose pumpkins and a little bit of desert rose accents, and I sort of wanted to tie both pages together and keep bringing in the Cozy Up theme and combining it with the starter kit theme. Now you could completely flip over the reading and the book pattern here because it's pumpkins on the back. So if you prefer fall over the reading theme, you could totally flip that over, but I thought that the reading themed pattern paper went really well with the long book sticker. That's so cute. Added the little socks in the books. Now again, I didn't have pieces left, so I fussy cut clusters of pumpkins out of the pattern paper. The smile title was from the startup kit, and then the cute little mushrooms was from the Cozy Up paper pack and sticker sheet. I did pop up the whole photo strip there just to add a little bit of dimension, and I also popped up the book sticker there, and I thought it was just the right combination. And once I got going, the melons from the starter kit and the oranges and the more fall colors from the Cozy Up kit really began to meld together. Here, another simple but super effective layout. I think I have 2x6 pattern paper strips and some 1/2x6 pattern paper and cardstock strips. Not much left to decorate. I used every single sticker off the sticker sheet. So I did a small cluster with some strips of paper up there, added a little banner and some strips to the right side of the photo mat, added the pumpkin stickers as well as fussy cut pumpkins again. And then when you look at this, layering at the top again, just layering some of that paper and carrying that theme all the way through, tucking partial bits of pumpkins under there. They're not even full pumpkins, but I think it just made the clusters work, and then you could draw your eye with the two clusters from one corner to the other. Again, so many photo opportunities on these 10 pages. I normally would have added Picture My Life cards to this workshop, but we no longer carry Picture My Life cards, and I was so sad, but I've been so happy that adding the little startup kit, which is actually less expensive than the Picture My Life cards, helped me to stretch this entire workshop to 10 pages, and I hope my simple scrappers are happy that they have functional, clean, yet decorative and beautiful pages with lots of photo opportunities and a combination of themes that they could make work in either direction. If you've enjoyed this video, I sure hope you'll hit subscribe and the notifications bell, and even give me a thumbs up if you've liked this video and it's been useful. It really goes a long way on YouTube. Thanks so much for sharing my time and letting me share my Simply Scrappin' workshop. All the details are in the description.